Hi everyone, we are going to be welcoming a new year. 2021 has not been so bad compared to the past 2 years. It's going to be a new tomorrow, and we have the opportunity once again to start again. Even though we must treat every day as a new opportunity, New Year brings with it a sense of bigger opportunity. I don't know, maybe it's a mindset we have been programmed into thinking that we can start over again at the beginning of a new year. So here it goes. We are going to step into 2022 and we want it to be the best year still. It's one thing to sit down and create a long list of New Year's resolutions, and it's another to have a self discipline to follow through with them. I started my Canva Tips for You channel this year and have uploaded a few videos. I know I have not been consistent enough to garner a great following or do something that could be useful to myself or to all of you. However, like you all, I am also making resolution to reinvent myself and to ensure that I keep a consistent approach to my channel and also my life. I am truly grateful to all of you who watch my videos and even more so to those who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you all so much. I would have given up long time ago if not for all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I would like to leave you with just one thought. What are you willing to do different this year? What are you willing to sacrifice so you can finally live the creative life that you have always imagined? Just one thing. You don't have to have a list of resolutions, just one thing. Take that small step. Like the age old saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thank you all once again. For all of you who are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also, like and share my videos so I could be more helpful to those who will benefit in the coming years. Thank you. Thank you so much.